Today I show you exactly how I could turn $2,000 into a YouTube empire in 2024 from scratch. By breaking down how much time I spend on SEO research, outsourcing, editing, and what AI tools I use to make the process easy and repeatable. I also break down how YouTube podcasts are growing and how you can think about using this content niche to grow your brand and maximize reach. I'll also walk you through the power of AI tools like Opus Clip to effortlessly generate clips with captions from your video podcast. Find out how to optimize your YouTube videos, engage with your community through posts and comments, and leverage these interactions to generate leads and increase your revenue. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or business owner, video podcasting and my YouTube process is a game changer. Dive into this video to uncover the opportunities and benefits of video podcasting and learn how to leverage it to stand out in the crowded digital landscape. Ready to take action? Think Media offers free resources, classes, and challenges to help you level up your content creation skills. Explore actionable strategies and join our thriving YouTube course and community to connect with like-minded creators and unlock your full potential. At Think Media, our mission is to empower purpose-driven entrepreneurs to turn their passions into a full-time career through the power of video. Please note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Subscribe and stay up to date with the latest insights from Think Media. Join our community and start your journey towards video podcasting success today.